Hello everyone, here is an example of granny square vest. As you can see, I have made the front with granny squares. There are 6 squares about 6 inches wide. The straps are made in double crochet and I have added small detailing of granny square on both sides as a border, as a panel, and at neckline I have added embroidery kind of thing to make it a little to give it a little stability. And if you can see the back side, it is made in knitting. I have knitted the back side and front is in granny square. There are small slits and they also have embroidery kind of detailing on them. This is another example of stash buster and scrap buster. You can use whatever scraps you have to make granny square and then use the same colors or contrasting colors to make its back in simple garter stitch. I hope you like this example of scrap buster.